Welcome back, guys, to Outside Boy Style. Here today I'm working on the Chevy Equinox again. It's about to be winter time here, and I want to touch up a few areas so that the winter don't eat the back out. As you can see, very quickly, I think it was 7 months ago I did this, but I have some rust spots coming out again all over. It's the typical Chevy Equinox situation. Body rust. Body rust is all I see from these cars. I'm not down on them, don't worry guys. For all you lovers of the Chevy Equinox, good for you, more power to you, because you're going to need it. But anyway, I'm going to address these areas so that the winter don't eat the rest of it out. And yeah, that will be that. So guys, I'm sanding it down because I want to try to get the rust out of it, to try to get it to last a little bit longer. Well, I got to take out the heavier one. I'm going to use the sanding disc. What I'm doing here, guys, is I'm using just SOS pads, and I'm just going over the surface, take off anything, dirt on the lens, take off anything that would be on the car, anything abrasive or whatever, just to make sure that it's in good condition. Just a good practice to do this. Anything unwanted, it'll take it off. Okay, so guys, I'm putting this rust converter over the bare metal, as you can see. And I'll bring in, show it to you. So I grinded it all down. So I'm not putting any Bondo on it. I grinded it down and I used 120 grit and I bought it down. And I'm going to put this rust converter on it. And that'll stop the rust from wanting to come out again. And I use it a lot and it's pretty cool. It works good. So I'm just going to give that a light spray. That's all I ever do. I just give all the metal a light spray. And what that's going to do is convert any rust that would happen to be on this right now. Or I'm saying convert, but it do convert. Converts rust to a paintable primer on all metal surfaces. So that way, it wasn't messing anything up. And with that on there, I can put primer. On top of that, I'm going to put this automotive etching, self-etch primer. It's what you put over, again, on top of metal. This is what I'm going to use on that. Now, I know you guys are going to say, you're not taping nothing up. I'll use alcohol after to take off any access that will be on the car. I'm having an issue right there. I'm actually having an issue with this can. That kind of sucks. The can itself is bubbling. Huh. That's very funny. I'm going to take off this license plate because I still have more work to do up here, which I guess I should have took the plate off from the get-go, but I didn't. But I'm taking it off now. Come on, guys, give me credit. You know me. I'm going to have to do a little bit of sanding over there. Something kind of happened with the primer. See, guys, that's what you get. Just going to take this little bit of rust off here. You see how SOS pads, guys, takes the rust off? You see that? It's one of my favorite things. Just takes the rust off nice. Don't press too hard. Just let it do its job. Takes the rust right off. Easy. What it don't take off? Well, that's what you got to work on, right? It's just the nature of the beast. I'll just get a Q-tip. I'll clean all this off. All this here off. I'm not even bothering to take that off. It's no point. It's really no point to do it. It's faster to just take a Q-tip and clean it all off after. So instead of trying to take all this off, leave it on there. You're not going to tape all this up and there, take it forever. That's the high build primer. So I'm going to use the heat gun just to speed up the procedure just that little bit. And this will heat up the metal a little bit. Just makes things a little bit easier. Okay guys, now I'm going to sand this down. There we go. Non-stick part. It's good for a year. I don't know. I know. So guys, I ended up painting the whole hatchback. Yeah. Well guys, I finished painting the car. I apologize, my battery died on my GoPro, but as you can see, I painted it. Trying to get it a little bit better for you so you can see it. I painted it. I had a few runs, nothing major. I had a little bit of a big hiccup right here, but other than that, I painted the hatchback. That'll keep it safe for the winter so rust won't eat it out. And this summer I'll give it a nice good paint job, and then it'll be nice. Let me see if I can't bring it down for you a bit. So here is the finished job. I had a horrible time getting this to work today, guys, and I'm kind of glad the battery died in the GoPro, because I had to take my gun cleaner, I forget what it's called today, I don't know why, but anyways, I had to strip it all off, redo it again, all the primer, all the etching primer, everything, but it's all done. I painted the hatch back, so that's all done, and that'll just keep it going good for the winter, so that the hatchback doesn't completely rust out, like inside and everything else. That's about all I'm going to do with it now. I'm not going to do nothing else with that now. So there it is, freshly painted. Again, I apologize for my GoPro dying, but it happens and I didn't realize it, so it's my own fault. So yeah, you saw everything I did, the whole procedure. I sanded, grinded down to the metal. I used etching primer, and then I sanded the primer. Then I put 3 applications of paint with my gun, HVPL gun, HVLP I think, and that's what I used on it with the compressor. I had the paint mixed months ago for the car, so I had the paint, and now it'll last all the way through the winter, just as it is. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Again, I apologize for my negligence with the battery. Not often I do that, but I was busy and concentrating on doing that back. But you know, you guys can look at other videos and see all the other paint jobs I did with the gun. I wanted to show you on this one too, but it is what it is. So you can leave a like over there. You can leave a subscribe over there. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks a lot.